In this clip, former Chief Justice of India M.N. Venkatachaliah, while speaking at Moneylife Foundation's third annual RTI lecture, refers to the concept of democratic fatigue as he perceives it in today's modern world.
There is a perceptible democratic fatigue all over the world. I call it a democratic fatigue. Various surveys around the world showed considerable increase in calls for a strong leader who does not have to bother with parliament and elections, and that trust in governments and political parties has reached a historical low. This is a pendulum effect, as they call it. You go to the other end, you think the next opposite end is the safe haven. This is the kind of a public mind. And that trust in governments and political parties has reached a historical low. It appears that people like the idea of democracy, but loathe the reality. They love the idea, but loathe the result. Political parties are among the most distrusted institutions in society. But then the idea of a benevolent dictator is a contradiction in terms itself.